Hi guys, welcome to another video from Belly Dance with Tahira series. Today we will be doing a movement in our hips, and this movement will be horizontal figure 8. And of course we will start with a proper body posture, feet parallel, knees are slightly bent, pelvis is a little bit tucked in, belly is long, chest is open. And we will be doing, as the name of the movement says, horizontal movement, so the movement will be flat. You can imagine that you stand on a figure 8, which is drawn on the floor. So here's one part of the figure 8, then it crosses our body, and here is the second part of the figure 8. So we're standing in the center of the figure 8, and our hips will be drawing the figure 8, which is on the floor. And we will start with a little exercise, and this exercise is based on a hip twist. If you don't know how to do a hip twist, just click this link and you will find yourself in the video with a hip twist instructions. But nevertheless, we start with the hip twist. So we twist our hips, the upper body stays in the front, and now we can do in this position, so right hip is to the front right diagonal, we can do in this position a slide in our hips. So I'll slide to the right diagonal and I can come back, and a little slide and come back, and slide and come back. And now I'm doing slide, so my right hip is in the right diagonal and it stays out, and I'm changing my hips to the second position of the twist. So I'm doing another hip twist. I twist them, and now the left hip is ready to slide to the left front diagonal. So it's sliding out, and then it stays out, and I'm changing my hips once again. Twist and slide to the right diagonal, and twist, slide to the left diagonal, and twist, slide to the right diagonal, and twist, slide to the left diagonal, and twist, slide to the right diagonal, and twist, slide to the left diagonal, and twist. This is the basis for our movement. And a very important thing, the figure 8 is once again horizontal, so we want it to stay flat. So the knees are at the same level, which causes our hips to be at the same level. And they're working along with the hips, drawing also a little figure 8, but you don't want to have body weight change, because then the hips will start going up and down, and we don't want this. So at first you can try to make this movement on a straight knees, but in the end we want to do this in our belly dance position, but you can at first try with the straight knees. But now let's try it with the bent ones, and I'm going with a twist, and now I want to have this nice round movement. So I'm sliding out and make a round movement, drawing figure 8 to the left and to the right, and to the left and to the right, and left and right. The hips are on the same level, the knees are on the same level, the movement is flat, we are just drawing the figure 8 on the floor. And 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Upper body stays in isolation. 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. And this is how you do horizontal figure 8. So if you like this episode and you've managed to do a horizontal figure 8, give me a thumb up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss next episodes, next videos from Belly Dance with Tahira series. And if you have any doubts or questions, leave a comment below this video and I will answer, trying to explain what to do to make this movement in a proper way. And if you are interested in more advanced content, for example, more advanced combos or variations of different movements, and also if you want to gather more information about culture, history, language, psychology of Oriental dance, feel free to check out my Tahira Belly Dance Diary series, of course here on my YouTube channel. And I also encourage you to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram and Facebook account, where I post a lot of things connected with my daily Oriental dance life. And I hope to see you here next week. Thank you very much for your time. See you soon. Bye!